Henry Repeating Arms is a firearms manufacturing company established in Brooklyn in 1993 by Louis Imperato and his son, Anthony Imperato. As of 2013, the company was the seventh most productive firearms manufacturer in the United States, producing over 300,000 rifles annually, and the leading lever-action manufacturer. Company headquarters is in Bayonne, New Jersey, in a 109,000 square foot facility with 225 employees. A second manufacturing entity known as Henry, Wisconsin is based in Rice Lake, Wisconsin, with 185 employees in a 140,000 square foot facility. History. In 2002, they acquired the rights to the historical firearms name, Henry, and established the Henry Repeating Arms Company. The name comes from Benjamin Tyler Henry, the inventor of the first repeating rifle, which came to be known as the Henry rifle. The Henry Repeating Arms Company made its first shipment of the Henry H001 lever-action .22 caliber rifle in March 1997. The company operated from Brooklyn, New York, until September 2008, when they moved to current headquarters in Bayonne, New Jersey. In 2006, Anthony Imperato purchased the assets of the Wright Products Company, a supplier of key components to Henry Repeating Arms, and established Henry Wisconsin LLC. Louis Imperato was chairman of the company from 1996 to his death in November 2007. Anthony Imperato has remained president of the company from 1996 to present. The company was awarded the American Business Stevie Award for exceptional customer service in 2016. Products. Henry Repeating Arms manufactures a broad line of both rimfire and centerfire caliber lever-action rifles. Their signature lever-action rifles are the Henry Golden Boy, Henry Big Boy, and Henry Long Ranger. In addition, the company manufactures a semi-automatic takedown .22 known as the Henry U.S. Survival R7, the Henry Pump Action .22, and a single-shot stainless steel youth bolt action known as the Henry Mini Bolt. In 2017, Henry Repeating Arms introduced shotguns for the first time, including the Henry lever-action 410 gauge, the Henry single-shot shotgun in 12, 20 and 410 gauge, as well as the Henry single-shot rifle in various centerfire calibers. Promotion. The company mottos are, "Made in America and priced right," and "Made in America and not made at all." Official website.